In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trended price oscillator indicators on TradingView Pro with a quick and easy guide. Before we jump in, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. Any chart and any time frame will work, so just pick the market you're interested in analyzing. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the time frame and the layout options. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add technical tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see several sections like built-ins, public library, and more. For this tutorial, we want to focus on the technical section. This is where most of the standard TradingView indicators are organized. Click on the technicals area so that you're looking at the built-in technical indicators, not community scripts or anything custom. Now, to make things simple, use the search bar at the top of the indicators window. Click into the search field so your cursor is active, and then type Detrended Price Oscillator. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering the list of indicators to match what you're entering. Be sure to spell it correctly so it appears right away. Once you see Detrended Price Oscillator in the list, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, and you should see a new pane appear below your price candles. That pane will contain the Detrended Price Oscillator line, which helps you identify short-term cycles by removing the longer-term trend component from price. If you want to customize how it looks, you can hover over the indicator name on the chart and click on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust things like the length, colors, and line style. This is optional, but it's useful if you want the indicator to match the rest of your chart theme or fine-tune how responsive it is. Finally, if you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features, fewer ads, and multiple indicators on one chart, use the link in my description to sign up. It's a straightforward sign-up process, and once you're upgraded, you'll be able to work with multiple oscillators, layouts, and alerts much more efficiently. That's all you need to do to add the Detrended Price Oscillator on TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, experiment with the settings, and incorporate it into your analysis to better understand price cycles on your favorite markets.